T35equipment.com. This is a brand new hydraulic thumb, 32 by 72. The thumb itself is 32 inches wide by 72 inches long. It's designed for a big excavator. It has 4 teeth, or fingers, tines they call them. They are serrated to give you a better grip on the tree or scrap or whatever it is you're grabbing onto. It is weld-on ready with this weld-on bracket. If you have any questions, just give us a call. You can also fill us from our website if you'd like a hauling quote. We send buckets, thumbs, and attachments, equipment all over the country, so getting shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. I'm gonna throw my measuring tape over the teeth for you. So you can see where the teeth are sitting at here, so you can know where it would sit at on your bucket. I hope that video is beneficial to you. If you have any questions, give us a shout. You can also see a full video on our website of all the different thumbs and how to measure your specific machine to see which thumb would fit it best. If you need a bucket, we have lots of buckets too. Appreciate you taking time to watch and hope you have a wonderful day.